Jing Pynsngew thu pat ba hlor ka jingnon kam jong subject physical education haki school bat ki college kam day kamat ka bathamai hindrei kalas dang mentala sans na mai ei hadian ka jingdon jong ki babon ki sabla ki bala pendap ya kani ka jing puli hindrei hadu menta menne kani ka subject kampat rung bha haki babon ki jaka puli kumba ka long kini ki samla ki bala la sha hikai lani pendap ya kani ka jing puli la ka long da ka graduate ne ka master degree hadu menta ki dang hab ban ki ban ksa hi kumno ban ya yok kam ban ai jing hikai pat ya ki samla puli bat kani ka pau na ka jingdon jong ka seng Meghalaya Physical Education and Sports Association MPESA kumba ka long ya menta wat la ki don ki school ni ki college ki ba pendrong ka ni subject haki ba bon hi ki thungkam da ki ba pendap BA BEd bat ki wei om ban ai kam sha ki ba dei hok ban yo nado haki school sarkar ni wat haki school simet ru dei halor kane ka seng hak nyau trek no pra arja apply hapo ka jing lam jong president jong ka uba clever sons imli but general secretary uba Sunny B Wardry kila lej panya kendo yo advisor jong ka Tnat education uba dei ru MLE barim ka Mausan Ram uba Himalaya Shangpliang ban Pynsngew u ba un kran lam ya kani ka jing e ka bakia kendo bat ban kerpat na u ba un Pynsngew sha ka sarkar jala hadien ka jing pentrai kam ya ka national education policy arja arpo ka balak kedau shai ba ya ka physical education kantiu komsi benta hak school curriculum halor kene la yo banyak kran bat ka vice president jongani ka association ka kong yada rikawan
ka association hing last dang ne kan association na do 2019 te kum association bon ki baro ki khna ki bladap ye kan ka physical education hndai mentangi bon hi basushang kam jamte nakaliang association ngla bon kisna Meghalaya kum ka association number ba kumka physical education it's highly important hapo ki school kan kade banong mandatory hapo ki school number ba kala don hapo curriculum curricular co-curricular activities and koi ru kade haga new education policy ila implement tangba only in paper but in hapo burang pring imdan ni taki physical instructor kan kami takada ibon ki jing takada ki kena jungi kimla ban ki shajrong nama ba ya kenduk pun kini jing mai kamdan duduk na school kamdan na po ground level ka Shillong Mail tek tang itu ki tournament ki bisu organize na po sports department once in a year only in that time kilong engage ki khna the whole year ki mdan ba shim ki long ba rap ki ken to ngi hi kum ki physical instructor ki bala pass no kata ka pass ngi yo ki sponsorship ki ana po kaliang sports department ring dala ada pass pat ngi myo ki man implement ni ban share la ni ban ai kata society mo kum bangin to uplift our society hapo ka sports ring Shillong ni ma play bon ki school ru teng la da ki appoint itu ki instructor ki bam unqualified kum ki BA BSc ki lani ki past athletes they are not properly an instructor kuni pare ki bala de shisha kita instructor ki bala de sha badan to fi ki ba yo ada ta ka educations la komno ban uplift ya ka sports playing ngimyo ban shimenta te na ta kaliang na ta kada haki sports tru kilong ngimyo ngimkio apa ki national games when you compare to other states boy baka sports baka dan education policy which starts from grassroots level. When I say grassroots level, but dan instructor which firstly like nado KG, pre-KG, nado nursery, nado class, nado ki class secondary, high secondary, kila ayo ban participate haki sports mabli bla dan lupa ki instructor ki man help ki kum ki la kila ban ong no what are these kids are going to do. Ma example hapo ki school le ma ba gin ong kin le you sports dan kan mabli but when we are talking about that they help to develop gross motor development not only that to improve their psychological behavior and plus to improve their motor activities so no antaro no hapo ki university hapo ki other states even hapo university ho nginang shi dan kini ki snam hi ki bala ba they through ki colleges ka jingdan jaka Shillong colleges ka bala ka jikyo jaka sport apa ke university hande barang dan kam chuchu ban sedang napo school level khnam gini yo shu taki players ki ban yo shu ka ban represent ya ka India hi khamtam shwai sedang ka state hi ban represent ya ka state tam shu bon singing shu long ka formalities tang ma shu represent hande ban wan par ngim yo taki achievement bling your achievement where are we lagging behind. The reason is lack of instructors in all these schools and colleges, and as well as in the society also. Yang kerpat government ba nakliang chingi ba kibun ki physical instructor ki basushang ki myo ban engage la dia ki kam ki bagi dai ma punsin ki haban chang ki wan de waiting kerpat government hi bahkan start yakin ki physical clear kan physical instructor I mean can recognize not actually in physical education ketika professional course kari license professional course kada ki ang bachelor of physical education the ada kan professional course, then you go to master, then after that master you can finish up to PhD level. The way you students who pass yakan bachelor of physical education, he can engage in a school level which is under secondary. Then the ada master high secondary, then college level like other state ki doctorate. The kadang kam minimum he 3 years. It's a professional course, bachelor of physical education. Ki bon ki students ki bala pass almost around 200 160 la pass ki beng layo full data kan. Ti kidan ki bang proceed ni kata nang ai tang ki bala ada ki bachelor but ki master. De bon mental ki bang don in between studies ting 4 yo ban ai kita. De hadu mental la don almost around 200 plus ki bala graduate
including master.
Yeah, no means only graduate, master means half than that. Membership thing la bon ki membership association nama bon ki students ki bala pass they are already included in the association.
Okay,
automatically
kumbolong kani ka papia IG kai menta mat ni don ki hajar ni school dan ni no thai la ta hajar hatu jan baro ki school ki don khamta me to ni la ni kran wi ka government schools kalong kumno
ni bano hadu menta tingin ngimpat tang we at minimum 4-5 school kan ki bengi ki bla don hi dat ki qualified but ki school ki barang don ki instructor mucho ai example no ki singkasi la don yung ka DNS St Anthony's itu ki school ki nang implement suki tang balang hadu mentahi tang alai tali ki school ki school hapo so Shillong ki la bon te dang duna ba ki dang bon ba ki school ki bompat itu kan tang we are
kumba ki domine ke ki don pa ki ba ki thum ki we ki bala pas ki we ki course ki BA
ko we tada ka ba penduk nang i kalong bang kim appoint ki qualified beli ki appoint itu ki BSc BN ma beli bakin yo one take subject la da subject teacher on one take up like a sport he can be expect pada bukan ke sport kan ki he will concentrate on his own subject because he have no idea about sports. He'll just take it for the sake of taking and not for the upliftment of the sports. Kata ka dia penduk nang ya ka ya ki beri ki jongi ki bang longkin mla kan ban uplift properly dan ban participate properly ki sports ki jongi
lada hikaya kan ni ka subject shubo namar kum bakibo ka pormo do school pas dang do prabaji shubo pradu lai kan do kenta pa dun kam kan hikaya ni subject
si ngan chu example ki kum ka kata question jong fi nga Tnat kum ki school de ki CBSE school la bana kidan de ki period ki jong ki but hapo kum CBSE it's compulsory ba each every day they shall have PT period for one class should have every day PT period so the PT period means 45 minutes to 1 hour they will get it's mandatory to have. So kata lada every day lada each and every class they will get 45 minutes so definitely they will uplift at least we are not going to take a shortcut right we are taking from the grassroots level so definitely 45 minutes they will able to
habide pa jin khot kam jong sarkar hatula ju don ka ma phinyo I ba ka sarkar ka ju khot pa ki phi ki blai pinda ki ji puli bandon ban la lis ban sukle ban long komite ki nong IG kai hapo ki school sarkar ni ki college teter
hadu mentate banoh ki school te ma tang ki school ma ki we are hapo ki directorate of educational and literacy keladon nama ki lecturer untuk ki dan ki baki lakhat tang bahadu menta ki dang tang ki temporary kimdi ki full term ki 3F te hapo sports department ki dan tang bakim kim da bon katur tang ki physical trainer kidang duna ndre ki post ki ba kidai ban khat pat ki bun la dangi pekat kum ki na po ka diesel mo the inspector of physical training ki dan ki post ki balat ndre hadu mentai kimpat palat pada te ngam tip ya kata ki ka sarkar mo kam khatmu ni kan ndre ki bun
Hakawai pat kalyang u General Secretary Ubasani B. Wardri ulakran halor ka Meghalaya Services Revision of Pay Rules arjar khatpra kabala penmi da ka Finance Pay Revision Department jong ka sarkar jalla.
Katkum ka ROP ma Revision of Pay 2018. Namar haman man ki school education katkum ka education department kapani ha DSEO District School Education Office kadon ka Inspector of Physical Training ada fi pashi ki school service katkum ka ROP fin i ba kadon drill and drawing master the drill and drawing master kadon ka post ndai ga ngimtep ba kini ki post pat dadang ngi kum ki balapa kini physical education ki appoint ni kino ndai ngilawat ngilawat benya na po diesel ngilalap ba kibun batung da ki BA BSc PU te kan mentoy yu kan ki kena phikwa ban kiu ka sport sa Meghalaya ndai thung da kita kan mentoy yu kan katkum ka Meghalaya education policy ru convention hibla approve da cabinet page 18 jong ka Meghalaya education policy kong bamaman ki school ki don kam curricular activities dan rei kitum Shillong tang hakakot sada pendon kam ndai kampat pendon kam pada hakap ba kalong reality kan kam pad i men pendon kam hadu mentan red pendon kam betang hakot sada